To install a rapid jack connector, you're going to need an Allen wrench, wire cutters, and some wire strippers. The items that come to connect it is the bottom piece, the copper securing item, and these two pieces. You could keep them together. Very important. These are two cables. The outside is a mesh looking cable. The inside is an insulated plastic. You have to keep these together, and you put them through here first. This piece has an Allen wrench piece. I will tell you in a second what it does for. You put the secure copper item on it. Right here is very important. You will separate these two cables, the inside from the outside. The outside looks like mesh. The inside is a insulated cable. You're going to have to strip the top about a little bit under a 1/4 inch, maybe about 2/8. Strip the top of the insulated cable. The outside cable, trim about a 1/2 inch off it of the excess mesh cable. Put it through. See how it goes through. With the Allen wrench, you're going to tighten this right here. Very important that the mesh cable touches the bottom when this comes up. As long as those two make connections, the top piece and the bottom piece, you would have an actual rapid jack connection. Those two have to make contact and you will have no issues. Once you have decided what length you're going to keep it at and you have adjusted, then you squeeze this cable, squeezing the copper piece, holding this cable from falling back down. Be sure not to squeeze it too tight, because you could cut all the way through across the cable and make a short circuit, and then you would have no light. So as long as you have this top piece connected to that one and the bottom mesh looking cable touching the bottom of this metal, you will always have a good connection. And that's installing a rapid jack connector.